Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a GIF in Photoshop with multiple images. First, load your desired files into the stack and browse to select the images you want to use. Open the timeline window and choose the Create Frame Animation option from the drop-down menu. Create a new layer for each new frame to ensure every frame has its corresponding layer. Select all layers, then use the Make Frames from Layers option to turn layers into animation frames. Press the play button to preview your animation. If the animation plays backward, select Reverse Frames. Hold the Shift key to select all layers simultaneously. From the drop-down menu, set the delay for each frame to 0.03 seconds or your preferred timing, and make sure the playback is set to Forever for looping. Export the file by choosing Save for Web in GIF format. Adjust the settings if needed, selecting GIF 128 with dither, or another setting based on your quality preference, and save your final animated GIF. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.